Professor N.A. Ajayi. Probably will be joining us. We have Professor Abiola Odejide. Can you please clap for them? They are eminent personalities. We have a very eminent scholar in our midst, and I'm sure we have all been looking forward to hearing him speak. So please welcome with me Professor Pan Ubanya. So we'll just go right into the program now and we'll listen to the welcome address by the director of the Sultan, Dr. S.A. Kabari.
Let me start by welcoming to our midst the eminent personalities here today, starting with our inaugural lecturer, Emeritus Professor Pan Ubanya, my Dean of Education, who is standing in for the Vice Chancellor. The Vice Chancellor himself is on his way because we just commissioned our center and they've gone to commission another center, says he's joining us, but that the Dean of Education should take charge. Other eminent personalities on the high table, Professor Kagwe, those are people who have helped us to get to where we are when it was Makato Grand Liaison Officer. We also have Emeritus Professor Abiola Odejide, former Deputy Vice Chancellor of Academic, and other eminent people in our midst. The participants at our first course in pedagogy in higher education, you are most welcome. It's a thing of joy that today we are marking the final day of the training program, the induction training program. We went through a series of modules in our training, and I believe that we've all learned a number of things. The center will continue to provide more services in terms of improving our capacity for teaching at the University of Ibadan. We have good news as the Vice Chancellor, having commissioned the place, promised to help to expand the place. And we believe that interacting with our participants and other senior people in the system will get this center to the desired end. It's been a long journey to get to this place. It started as a project, capacity building pedagogical skills under the Makato project, supervised by Professor Adeshomoju as the Grand Liaison Officer and later Professor Kagwe. And the project eventually matured into the center under the current administration of Professor I.F. Adewale, who has shown a lot of commitment to the development of that center. So what you are not here today to listen to me, rather we are here to listen to the eminent people here, and this just to welcome everyone So you are most welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Director Secretary. Next, we are going to listen to the chairman's opening remarks. As we have said before, the Dean Faculty of Education, standing in front of the Vice Chancellor. So welcome to me, Professor.
On behalf of our Vice Chancellor, Professor Adewale, I want to welcome every one of us to this inaugural lecture to conduct the opening ceremony formally of our Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning. Like the Vice Chancellor said earlier, we want this university to be a center of excellence, starting with teaching. Because any world-class university, part of what we do in any part of our world-class university is the caliber of manpower, the teaching facility, and the research output. I also want to thank those who have been participants and who are here today for this inaugural lecture. I feel happy that once again I can listen to our emeritus professor, Professor Pai Obaya, talking to a large audience on higher education. A few weeks ago, I was under his lecture at University of Cape Coast, and throughout African continent, because the program was organized by AAU, throughout African continent, he was well recognized and will continue to be well recognized, not only in Africa, but all over the world on the area of higher education. So, with rapt attention, we are here to listen to Professor Pai Obaya, and when the Vice Chancellor comes, I think he will do it more formally than I've done. Once again, we are welcome. Professor Pai Obaya, thank you for coming. Okay, before Professor Pai Obaya comes to give his lecture, the director of the center will give a simple brief about him. But like the person said in Ghana, if you want to talk about Professor Pai Obaya, you will need another day to talk about him because his CV, I cannot carry his CV if you have to write in pages of paper. Thank you for coming and God bless you.
The chairman of this occasion, other protocols duly observed, participants. It's a huge task to present Emeritus Professor Pai Obaya, and I will not delude myself that I can do adequate justice to this. I will only try. Pai Obaya is Emeritus Professor in the Institute of Education, University of Ibadan. He is currently Chairman of Council of the West African Examination Council, WAEC. He sits on the Committee of Experts of Education International, as well as on the Board of Directors of HUPL, formerly Animal Publishers PLC. Former technical advisor to the Reform Implementation Committee of the Federal Ministry of Education, Nigeria. Pai Opanya was born 75 years ago. Welcome to Vice Chancellor and Senator. Pai Opanya was born 75 years ago, educated at the University of Ibadan, where he got his B.Ed, Bachelor of Education degree in Education, through French with first-class honors. He got his PhD in Language Education, June 1973. Diploma, I don't speak French, so you permit me if I model the language here. Diploma supérieur d'études français, University of Abidjan, Côte d'Ivoire, 1967. Was appointed to the academic staff of his alma mater in the Institute of Education as research fellow in August 1971. He became a full professor in October 1979. He was director of the Institute of Education, University of Ibadan, 1980 to 1983. While on sabbatical leave from Ibadan in 84 to 85, he served as Foundation Dean of Education in Lagos State University, LASU, between 76 and 86. Professor Opanya produced 11 PhDs, 7 of whom became full professors of education in record time. At the international level, he had been Secretary of the African Curriculum Organization, 1976 to 86, Program Coordinator for Education, World Confederation of Organizations of the Teaching Profession, Switzerland, 1986 to 88, Deputy Director, UNESCO, 1988 to 91, Director of the Regional Office of Education in Africa, UNESCO, Breda, Dakar, Senegal, 1991 to 1999. He retired from UNESCO in December 1999 with the grade of Assistant Director General. He designed Nigeria Universal Basic Education UBE program. Professor Opanya has been mentoring young academics, advisory, consultancy, research and training services at different levels. International development cooperation agencies, Pan-African institutions, national government, non-governmental organizations, tertiary institutions, and the private sector. He has functioned in the following project among numerous others: the development of NEPAD's education strategy document, groundwork for the ongoing Decade of Education in Africa, 2006 to 2015, of the African Union, AU, capacity building for national curriculum reform in post-colonial Liberia, capacity building for teacher continuing education in post-war Iraq, trainer in the Management Development Program of the Association of African Universities, AAU, a die-hard academic known as the Grand Sage of Education in Africa. Pai Opanya has authored some 270 publications on different aspects of education. This is a figure some days ago. I'm sure this figure has increased because I've gotten some additional publications from him the last 3 days. There are so many honors, accolades, and awards. The most widely published author on education in Africa. Fellow of the Nigerian Association of Teachers of Technology, Fellow of Curriculum Organization of Nigeria, Fellow of the Academy of Education, Fellow of the Nigerian Institute of Management, most outstanding mentor of educational researchers in Africa. He is very happily married, blessed with well-established children and up-and-coming grandchildren. He recently marked his 75 years, and it was a huge celebration. I'm sure you are watching the pictures that we put together for him. So it is my honor and pleasure to welcome Emeritus Professor Pai Obaya to the winner of this inaugural award.
Vice Chancellor, sir, I hope those who are training will not teach you how notes like I'm trying to do. I am very happy to be at this occasion. One of my hobbies over the past 40 years is to get people teaching in universities to actually teach. And I did promote programs all over Africa. Part of good Professor Kebu Kola, when he became Executive Secretary of NUC, tried to propagate. So today is one of my happiest days, especially I had to participate in the formal opening of the center. So ladies and gentlemen, I won't waste